1 pot coconut and tofu Thai red curry recipe. Yield 4 servings. Prep time 10 minutes. Cook time 25 minutes. Total time 35 minutes. Ingredients: curry. 4 shallots, peeled and minced. 1 teaspoon 5 ml oil. 2 cloves garlic, crushed. 3 potatoes, cut into 1 cm chunks. 3 tablespoons 75 grams red curry paste. 2 medium red bell peppers, chopped. 1/2 broccoli, broken into bite-sized bits. 1.25 cups 180 grams seasoned tofu strips. 1 can 400 ml full-fat coconut milk. 1 tablespoon 15 ml soy sauce. 1 teaspoon 5 ml sambal hot sauce. Ingredients: optional garnish. Roasted cashews. Cilantro, parsley or fresh basil. Chili flakes. Directions. 1. Sauté the shallots with oil in a large pan on high heat. Add 2 tablespoons 30 ml water as needed to deglaze the pan and avoid burning, stirring occasionally until translucent and slightly browned, about 5 minutes. Add the garlic and stir for another 2 minutes, stirring and adding water as needed. 2. Add the potatoes, curry paste and 1 cup water to the pot, bring to a boil, then reduce to a simmer with lid partially covered, allow to simmer for about 7 minutes. 3. Add the remaining ingredients and cook for 8 to 10 minutes, until fragrant and veggies lightly cooked to your liking. Serve with brown rice, garnish, and enjoy. Notes. 1. Variations: add other veggies you desire like carrots, or yellow bell peppers. Other curry pastes also work great with this recipe like green curry, Massaman curry, or Penang curry paste. 2. Speed it up, using pre-seasoned tofu speed up this recipe, but of course you can always make your own. 3. Storage: store in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends. For most informative videos, please subscribe and like our channel.